Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Paybis wallet using your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Paybis wallet account on your PC, first open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.paybis.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official webpage of paybis.com, which looks like this. To log into an existing account, go to the top right hand corner and click the login button. You'll end up in the login area for your Paybis wallet. You can either enter your email address and verify your email address with a code, or you can also click on With Password tab and enter your email address along with your password to log in. If you want to enter your password, type in your email address in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. You can double check the password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password link above and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, click the login button and you'll be able to see that you've been logged into your Paybis.com account. Pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily log into your Paybis wallet on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.